Hello YouTubers, I'm R. Matthews and here I am locked up in my bathroom where it's safe, and I'm going to show you guys how to clean face mask. This one I had in my truck, my work truck, for about 3 weeks ago, and it was dirty, but easy cleaning and got it back to its original stage. So I notice when I wear these masks, we tend to always take it off and we touch our face. So make sure you wash your hands real good before you remove your mask. I mean, peel their mask off, contaminating their face. So what's the purpose? So the best thing is clean your hands first before you put on your mask and taking it off. I mean, cautious. I mean, if you're getting technical with this thing, is you even need, I believe you need glasses too, because if you're breathing, if it's in the air, if the virus is in the air floating around like they say, you're wearing the mask, you still got your eyes exposed. So you're gonna need some goggles or something. That's just the way it is. I mean, you want to protect yourself, but then you have other elements that you have to worry about your eyes. So I guess the best policy is just be prepared and watch and see how I clean it. Okay, here I have my mask, and I'm going to show you guys how to clean them and reuse it. What I have here is some Dawn dishwashing soap. Okay, you want to have some warm water, wet the mask, take a little Dawn soap, just put a little bit around it, and what you want to do is just use your fingers and gently scrub it. Use your fingernail or your thumb fingers to get this, maybe the oil on your face off of it and whatever's on there. Okay, clean the band. Don't worry about this piece right here. I know slowly it'll loosen up, but just get yourself some hot glue and just re-glue it back and it'll be okay. Okay, I got it pretty good. Now let's get some warm water and rinse it. What you want to do is just do the same. Gently move your finger so you rinse the soap out of it. You'll notice if you have a mask that you've been using, all the area where your nose is at, you'll see, like, oil from your skin, and probably the dust that you breathe in, you see a little sign of it right here. That comes off of it. So what I'm doing is just pressing it with my finger. Make sure the soap is all rinsed out. Okay, that looks pretty good. Probably run a little hot water. Make sure you wear some gloves. It's pretty hot. That's pretty good. Okay, what you want to do is get yourself lots of paper towels and just ball it up, make it like the shape of the mask, and let that soak up all the water and to keep this form. There you have it, like that. I mean, if you want to speed up the process, you could get a hair dryer and dry it up. Leave it in an area where there's a nice little breeze, or if you have a fan, that will even work better. Don't try to do not wring this thing. You'll lose this form. Okay, there you have it. A clean mask ready to be used again for your next adventure. There you have it. Once it's dry, it'll be like new. These things are pretty good. The filters on here are pretty durable. So don't do like what I used to do. Now I'm going to look, after this crisis, I'm going to look at these masks different. When I use them at the job site, I will recycle them for myself, because look at it. Look how hard it is to get these things. They're like gold. And it's sad that people are hoarding these and trying to sell them for like what? 30 times the price of this thing. That's ridiculous. So people, if you're watching this, help each other out. Don't try to price gouge people that really need these.